Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It is Thursday the 8th of June and I'm Nigel Croft. In this short video we'll be looking at the price of copper, known as the code XCUUSD. What we'll see is that the downtrend remains in place. That's despite the recent upward move that we've had, and really one should wait for a break of this downtrend before buying any copper. So here we have the daily chart, and here you can see the downtrend that I've drawn, which is through the highs of the 10th of Feb and through the highs of the 1st of May, and you can see that we're still bound by this downtrend. We have had a good couple of days that at the moment has taken us above the downtrend in 50 moving average, which is this blue line I hope you can see. As you can also see, which is why it's hard to see, is that we are tracking with this 50-day, and it does seem to be the overriding influence on the market at the moment. So if we can hold above it today, that would be a positive sign. But as I said, we need to get a break of this trend. This resistance point here from the 25th of May is significant as well. That's at about 2.60, but really we need to break this trend, which yet tomorrow will be at about a very similar level, about 2.595. Elsewhere on this chart, it's quite good now that the 20 days moving upwards. We've got the longer term influence of the 200-day moving upwards, which will give support as it did in early May. On the RSI, we're bubbling along. We're still below 50. Well, actually, no, sorry, we are above 50, 52.94. But just going sideways. So it's quite good. It's above 50 again. But the fact it's going sideways isn't indicating really strong momentum, and neither is the MACD, which are flat lining. Looking at the weekly chart, and you can see the downtrend isn't on here, but you can see it quite clearly. You can see that on the upside now we've got the downtrend in 20-week moving average and the 200-week, but for support we've got the 50-week. Here the RSI is actually indicative of a slight downward trend, although it still is above 50, 51.74, and the MACD are slightly negative as well. On the short term, the 4-hour, obviously the recent move is more pronounced on this chart. You can see we've moved above all the moving averages, and we are going to get positive developments on these moving averages as they move up. We're getting the 20, about to cross the 200 tomorrow, and then maybe cross the 50 the day after. The RSI is indicative of positive momentum, as is the MACD. So really we just need this resistance level to be broken, 2.59, and then this chart would actually look very good, and it would improve the weekly if we break that downtrend as well. But really you do need to wait for that downtrend to be broken. On the support resistance levels, resistance at 260.66 and then 261.70 at the 20-week. With support at 250.60 and then second support 248.20, which is the 200-day moving average. So that's been TA for Traders looking at the price of copper. From the charts, I would wait for the downtrend to be broken. Looking at the 4-hour charts, which did look the more positive of the 3 charts we looked at, you might not have to wait too long, but do wait for that break to occur. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it of interest. Please remember, these videos are for educational purposes only and are my opinions, and in no way are they meant as an investment recommendation.